Okay, this is very last minute, and oh my god, the quality just went down to 144p on my end. But iOS 16 Beta 2 is out. Yes, it is out. Mark Gurman was wrong. I'm just kidding. Mark Gurman is, or I mean, like, he was wrong. He said it was coming out next week, and it came out today. So, yeah, Gurman. Sorry. Should I pull up that tweet that Gurman did? What? It says use cellular data. I'm on Wi-Fi. Well, whatever. I guess. Yes. It's gonna download. Do I have to do it again? Use cellular data. Okay. Already running into issues. We haven't even. Oh, there it is. Update requested. Okay. iOS 16 Beta 2 is out for developers. Public beta is still not out yet, but it's coming out with Beta 3 according to Gurman. But he was just wrong about the iOS 16 Beta 2 coming out next week, but whatever, there you go. But update requested. Okay, this is very last minute. I didn't even set up my entire streaming setup yet, so yeah. But yeah, we just got a couple people in right now. What's up? What's up? Yeah, yeah. This is very last minute. I was just doing something else, and then I just noticed that it was 12. Oh, it was 12, and that was normally when Apple releases updates, and so yeah, it was very rushed. But now we got it. We got it. So 4 minutes remaining. That's actually surprisingly quick. So there you go. 4 minutes remaining according to iOS, the iOS update screen. So yeah. And let me look at the release notes. Yeah, let me pull up the release notes. This is incredibly last minute. Yeah, incredibly last minute. But yeah, let me look up developer.apple.com. iOS 16, iOS SDK. Beta 2 already? Yeah, Beta 2. Which device? I'm installing it on the iPhone SE 2nd gen. So there you go. That's what I'm installing it on. Yeah, Beta 2 is out right now. Developer Beta 2, that is. Public Beta is coming out with Beta 3. So that should be out in the week of July 11th. That's according to Garmin. So we're still around 1, 2, we're like 3 weeks away from the public beta. yeah, so there you go. Anyway, 3 minutes remaining according to that. Let me pull up the release notes. iOS, iPadOS release notes. Are they even out yet? Don't even know. Yeah, they're not updated yet. This is still beta 1 release notes. So, yeah, these are not been updated yet. But yeah. But yeah, there you go. Beta 2 is out right now. We have 2 minutes remaining. But that's is the SE2 your beta test driver? It's my main daily driver phone. So yeah, don't install beta on your daily driver unless if you have like a backup. But yeah. Anyway, 7 people already. We have 2 minutes remaining according to the ETA. So yeah, there you go. And beta release notes are not out yet. Beta release notes, I don't think. Yeah, beta release notes are not out yet. So this is so early. This just came out like 10 minutes ago. So there you go. But yeah, installed iOS 12 beta 1 on my iPhone 10 before. Nice. I've installed all I did iOS 11 and that was a pain. I did iOS 12. That was good. iOS 12 is a good release. 57 seconds remaining. 54 now. 51. Yeah, it's going actually kind of fast. Going surprisingly fast, actually, for second beta. But there you go. 42 seconds. 39. Let me close the door to prevent any noise. But yeah, I was just sitting here watching the latest episode of the Genius Bar podcast, great podcast, by John Prosser and Sam Cole, and yeah, it's just out of nowhere. This came out. So 11 seconds remaining. 8, 5, 2. You almost had 500 subscribers. Yeah, 1 away. We might hit it during the stream, maybe. But yeah, update request. What? It just restarted the update. Let me turn off the. Actually, no. I'll keep pressing the focus on. Don't want any notifications coming in. Is it going into an error or something? There's a bug? Oh no, preparing update. Okay, we got the preparing update screen. This is usually the longest part, so yeah. Let me see if there's any. Yeah, there's like a lot of things. There's no macOS Ventura. Wait, is Ventura Beta 2 out? Because I have Ventura out. I have Ventura on here. This might be a double installation if Ventura is out, but yeah, let me move that. The Mac is up to date, but hang on, let me do that again. Enable that. Let me try again. Your Mac is up to date. No, it's not. Ventura Beta 2 is apparently out. Okay then, Ventura Beta 2 is out, but yeah, I don't know. Let me try again. Hopefully they listen to some of the feedback in the system settings, but this might be a double installation if Ventura Beta 2 is out. Checking for updates. But yeah, how much you said 1.83 gigabytes on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oh, Ventura Beta 2 is out apparently, but it's not showing up. What about the release notes? Nope, release notes are still not updated, but if I go to news, software releases, yeah. iOS 16 Beta 2, oh yeah, macOS 13 Beta 2 as well. WatchOS 9 Beta 2, all the Beta 2s out today. Okay then. And you hit 500 subscribers, you can hit on the community. Oh really? Nice. So, yeah, there you go. But all of the Beta 2s are out today. I don't know about the HomePod. But yeah, universal control is kicking in. My iPad's on. There we go. Yeah, but there you go. All the Beta 2s are out. iOS 16 Beta 2, iPadOS 16 Beta 2, WatchOS 9 Beta 2, macOS Ventura Beta 2, and tvOS 16 Beta 2, and maybe HomePod Beta 2, HomePod software update Beta 2, I think. Yeah. It says Mac is up to date. What? Beta 2's out, but it's not showing up. I'm enrolled in, developer seed program, so I don't know. Maybe that might be for later. Might do a separate video on that. But yeah, preparing updates still on Beta 2. I just checked in your link. It used to be called Tech Got Real. Yeah, that's what the URL is. So yeah. But yeah, this might be a double installation, but the Mac OS one might be a bit hard to do because I'm streaming off of this Mac, so yeah, that might be for later, but yeah, iOS 16 is the one that we're doing right now, so there we go. But yeah, preparing update. 9 people watching. And yeah, preparing updates still. So yeah, this is progress bar is barely even moving, so that is raising some concern. Just some. Community tab will take like an hour or two to on my other channel. Oh, okay. But yeah, it looks like. Is it moving? Is it moving? Let me check also the release notes, because release notes might be out. As you can see, yeah. Release notes, release notes. No, they still haven't updated the release notes yet, but it is out. Beta 2 is out, along with Xcode 14 Beta 2 as well. Forget about that. I didn't install the new Xcode yet, so probably might do that later, but yeah. So, all of the Beta 2s, but let me see, release notes, Xcode Beta 2 release notes are out. What about Mac OS? Oh, Ventura Beta 2 release notes out. But what about iOS? Nope, still no iOS. Okay then. What about watchOS? Why not? Okay, watchOS is out. tvOS. Not tvOS yet either. Okay then. But we've barely made any progress. Yeah, still on spring update. iOS 17 beta 1 June 2023. Get ready. Yeah. The beta releases are always fun time, but yeah. Yes, still no release notes. Okay, well that's gonna be for a bit later, but yeah. I think progress bar has moved like just a smidge, but yeah. Again, it's the preparing update stage always takes the longest, but sometimes it will be like on the preparing update stage and just boop, right done. So yeah. Alright, so any day now. What about Mac OS again? Let's check Mac OS. Let me move QuickTime over there. Software update. Your Mac is up to date. I don't know about that one, Chief. It is. Beta 2 is out, but it's not appearing with Beta 2. Mac OS updates take a long time to appear here, but yeah. Well, whatever. Guess we'll have to wait for that one. Anyway, so when you get 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna make members emojis. Maybe. Archie, no. Members, you have to have, I think, like, it's like 10,000 or 30,000 subscribers to have members, I think. I don't remember exactly, but yeah, it's like a lot of subscribers you need for members, so yeah. Still on preparing update. What if I just... Nope, still preparing update. Okay. Well, this is gonna take a while, but yeah, there we go. I thought it was 1,000. Now you need like 30,000, if I remember correctly. Yes. Still have a while to wait. It is. I think it's staring at it like really closely. No, I think it's moving. Yeah. Let me actually rearrange the universal controller real quick. Hang on. Displays. Arrange. No, it's. Wait, it's over there. Oh, there it is. Move it there. There we go. I hate how you have to go to the Arrange tab now. macOS Ventura is. Yeah, it's weird. The system settings is weird in Ventura. Hey, it's moving. It looks like, oh, it's moving pretty fast. My subscribers prediction 700 at the middle of July, 800 in September, and the beginning of November, 1,000 at the end of. Okay, so cool. But do you know how to use a spacebar? Do you know how to use a spacebar? Maybe it's over the 200 character limit. I don't know, but you could have added some spaces there, Kyle. Yeah. Yeah. So. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this will finish, but. I mean, we're almost done with the preparing update stage. I just copy and paste the text. Well, you could have added spaces. You could have added spaces. Yo. Oh, this thing is getting hot. It is getting hot. Oh, yeah, it's getting hot. So, the screen brightness just went down a little bit. So, yeah. What about release notes? Beta 2 release notes. There we go. AirPlay result. Okay. App intents, focus filters. Can't be deleted. Underlying text. Okay, then. Snippets and our Swift UI features don't build with Mac Catalyst. Yeah, all the Catalyst, Mac OS Catalyst apps I've used are pretty bad. App Store, known issues, app tracking transparency. What about new features? And oh, customers backup, new features. Customers can now back up their device. Hey, beta 2's downloaded. Okay, install now. Public beta 1 comes out in July. Yeah, Mark Gurman said public beta 1's coming out the week of July 11th. So still have a bit to wait. But yeah, beta 2 is downloaded, and now we're installing. So verifying update. Just verifying it's legit. I'm still confused. Why does it say Apple Inc? Like, we know it's the updates from Apple. Why does it have to say Apple Inc? I don't get it. But hey, it's off. And there you go. There you go. It's done. It's now installing. So now we're in the install phase now. So there you go. Let me close out the movie recording. And it's now restarting. So while we wait for that, let me see if macOS Ventura is out for again. Those just joining in, we're installing now. No, not storage. Software update. Should I even jailbreak my iPhone 11 Pro Max at this point? I mean, it seems like we're close to jailbreak, but I don't know. I don't know. At this point, I don't even care anymore for jailbreak. So, yeah. But again, we're just downloading, and I guess we'll also check the release notes. I was just going through release notes and I saw the install thing pop up, so there you go. But checking for updates. No, it's still there. Okay, whatever. We're gonna look at the release notes. So customers can now back up their devices over an LTE as well as a 5G or Wi-Fi connection. So now you can back up over 5G or Wi-Fi. That's cool. No issues. CarPlay can fail to connect. There's no workaround for that even. Uncover haven't even updated since last year. Yeah, their last update was like 8.0.2 or something. That was like at the end of last year. Yeah, pin pair, driver kit, emojis. Search field for emoji lock screen editor might be missing. Hang detection. Okay then. I assume it's not that type of hang, but yeah. New features, health kit work, any new things, known issues in HomeKit or Home screen, known issues. On external display, the status bar is missing after entering the app searcher. Okay, then. Timers won't appear on the iPad lock screen. Okay. Preview. Might not appear drag and drop widgets while editing lock screen. App library can fail to appear immediately after a reboot. Ooh. iCloud, known issues. Is there any update to shortcuts? I want to see if there's any updates to shortcuts. No issues. Location services icon, one display. Again, those just joining in, we're just installing the update right now, so that's why I can't show a screen. Known issues. 16.5 comes out. Yeah. High priority mail search suggestion is unavailable. Or isn't available. Maps. Maps isn't loading tiles and search result previous on iPad with 2 or 3 core CPUs. First off, there's not a single iPad. Oh, actually, no. The A10X chip has a 3-core CPU, or 6-core CPU, but it says 3-core. It's 3 efficiency, or 3 high performance cores, I think, yeah. But yeah. Workaround force quit maps. New features in messages allows developers to classify 12 subcategories. Cool. For Indian users, messages now support event extraction SMS. These event appointment messages are now presented as Siri suggestions and also are presented to messages. Okay, cool. For selected US carriers, I remember when Apple and updates to 11.4.1, 12.4.1. Yeah, they still released security updates for older devices after that, or for 12, that is, but yeah. Yeah, we're still installing the updates, so that's why we're just stalling through the release notes now. Messages now support the ability for customers with a dual SIM iPhone to filter their messages based on SIMs. Okay, cool. I don't have a dual SIM, so Metal, there's some known issues there. Metal FX upscaling, I believe that's it. First stage is done. Second stage is now happening. You guys can't see this, but yeah, second stage of installing the update is now happening. So there you go. Known issues. Precision finding may fail to connect with when near many Bluetooth devices. So Reality Kit, room plan, Safari, known issues. Okay, those don't really affect me. Shortcuts. Is there anything? No, that's not the issues that I'm experiencing. Hopefully they fix some other thing. Stage Manager. Did they add support for... No, they didn't add Stage Manager support for older iPads. So, we still have Stage Manager limited to iPads with M1. So, yeah. Again, for those just joining in, we're installing the update, so that's why you can't see it. Let me also check macOS Ventura. See if there's update there. You want me to make a banner for you when I get home. And I think I'm good. I'll just keep the current banner. Kind of like the current banner, honestly. Yeah. Yeah, your Mac is up to date. Yeah. Store kits, new features. Okay, Swift, known issues resolved. Swift UI, multiple children. Okay. Known issues, there's a lot of known issues. Telephony, and there's a lot of these interesting things. All the way for iOS 22. Yeah, I think, yeah, every iPhone that's supported right now will probably be dropped with iOS 22. Yeah. Test flight beta apps might fail to launch. Enable developer mode. Yeah, developer mode is something. Translation. UI kit deprecations. Known issues. Voicemail transcriptions aren't available. Yeah, I've noticed that as well. Okay, I'm just gonna make it. Yeah, see if it's good. Okay, yeah. Again, those just joining in, we just got a lot of people, and we're installing the update right now, so we're just stalling through the release notes. Wallpapers. Are there any new things with wallpapers? No issues, just no issues. You must be authenticated to switch lock screens on all devices. Yeah, that's a feature. Kind of bored, so that's why. Okay then. Home screen previews might black out when reduce motion is enabled. Lock screen gallery can show debug text. They still haven't fixed that. Wow. Weather doesn't have any location or network disabled or enabled or disabled. Wi-Fi. Yeah. Game controller. Many additional Bluetooth controllers that support a game controller framework, so that's cool. More Bluetooth controllers, and we're done already. That's one of the quickest installs for a beta probably ever. So gotta wait for it to finish. There we go. Let me unlock it real quick because it's very buggy when it's locked. It shows like a bugged lock screen. There it is. Oh wow, it's even buggier than the last one. That's not a good sign. It is very buggy right now. Okay then. But it's not showing up in, or is it showing up in Finder? Oh, there it is. Okay. There. What? It's. Oh my god, it's so buggy right now. It is so buggy right now. Okay then. Well, that's not a good sign then. That's not a good sign. It's very buggy right now. But that's probably because it just rebooted, so maybe that's why. There it is. There it is. So, just to check. Oh! That's new. That's new. The. Oh, well, okay. It gives like a little dot of where you are. That's kind of cool. You see that, like, green dot where the wallet and health icon is? It's kind of cool. It shows like a dot. Oh, wow. It's really glitchy. Look at that. It is like really choppy. The astronomy wallpaper is really choppy. Anyway, let's check the build number. Let's check the build number. General or not software update. Yeah, that's still not there, but build number 20A5303I. So something I figured out earlier is that the letter at the end of the build number indicates how stable the release is. So no letter means it's a public release, it's good, it's really stable. A means that it's the most stable beta, and Z means the most unstable. So I looks like it's right in the middle. So there you go. There you go. And yeah, so first off, let me look at the release notes again. Remind me, room plan, store kit, Swift UI. That's it for the release notes. What about 9to5 Mac? Did they release anything, or is the Mac rumors thread? iOS 16 Beta 2 adds iCloud backup over LTE and 5G. Yep. Mac rumors. Let's look at Mac rumors. Second betas. So yeah, second betas are all out, and we have it. We have it here, and so is there really anything new? Is there any new icons? I want to see if there's new icons. Oh yeah, see, look at this. It is super buggy. Look at that. It was just showing the full astronomy wallpaper, but like Yeah, it's so weird. But yeah, it shows like a green dot of where you are in the world. Anything new with oh my god, that was really really laggy there. Anything new with lock screens? Add new. Any new lock screens we can add? No, doesn't seem like it. Yeah, there's just some of the emoji ones. Nah. So it looks like no new lock screens. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that text. Hang on. Look at that text. Photos, wallpaper, description. It's yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, photos, wallpaper, description again. Yeah. Okay then, well, there you go. It's a bit buggy still, but yeah, it's a second beta, so yeah. Let me also check Mac OS again, just because. Why not? Yeah, it looks like no new lock screens. Okay, well, I just set it to that wallpaper for now. That's a cool wallpaper. I might release that later on. Yes, I made this wallpaper. Yes. But yeah. Anyway, so let me look at the two notifications. I think beta 2 for macOS is finally available. There we go. Ventura beta 2. So this is gonna be kind of hard to do, the Ventura beta 2, because well, I need to restart the Mac and I'm streaming off the Mac, so there you go. It's gonna be kind of hard to do Ventura. But yeah, let me look at, is there a thread for Mac rumors? I don't think so. Mac rumors. What about, let's just look at the release notes. Yeah, this might be the most underwhelming second beta yet. That's unfortunate, but we'll have to see again. So far, it looks like the biggest change is that you can now back up over 5G or LTE now. Should I test that? Should I test that? Let me see. So let me turn off Wi-Fi. Yeah, Wi-Fi is off. Actually, yeah, not connected. So Wi-Fi is off. We're just going off LTE. And so if I go over, where it is? Where is it? Oh yeah, iCloud backup. Oh wow, this looks. Is that? I didn't remember seeing that in beta 1, but there you go. So let me see if I can now back up over LTE now. There we go. Occur when it's on Wi-Fi. Backup using cellular data. Hey, there we go. So it'll work. I don't have enough iCloud storage. I don't think so, but yeah, it'll now back up over that. Okay, can I cancel the backup? Oh. Yeah, cancel the backup. There you go. Yeah, I'll turn off iCloud backup for now, but yeah, I don't have enough storage, I don't think so. Yeah, but there we go. That's iCloud backup. You can now back up over cellular. AirPlay, streaming videos or photos. What about 9 to 5 Mac? Did they release anything for that? So yeah, they added the ability to back up over 5G or LTE now, so that's pretty cool. But is that the biggest change? Is that really just the biggest change? I mean, like, I would kind of wish to have the backup or like the install go a bit longer, because then we can look through more of the changes. More of the changes will be found, but yeah, so far nothing has been found yet. What about Apple Track? Nope, nothing here on Apple Track. What about? Yeah, it kind of looks the same. Yeah. Mac rumors. Second beta is, yeah, that's just that's just all the things there in iOS 16. Public beta early July. The week of July 11th. That's according to Mark Gurman. The week of July 11th is when the public beta will come out, and that's when we'll be in the beta 3 era. So yeah. So we have Ventura beta 2. Let me see if there's any release notes. Nah, there's nothing there. I keep getting this notification. Shortcuts automations will run when it's your iPhone's unlocked. My iPhone's unlocked. Why do I keep getting that notification? Yeah. It's weird, but there you go. Yeah. But yeah, there you go. That's so far what the changes are. There's not a lot. Yeah, public beta coming out next month. So, yeah, that's what Mark Gurman said. Middle or week of July 11th, if I remember correctly. Let me look at Twitter. But yeah, so far looks like barely anything's changed. All we got was you can now back up over. Oh, look at that! Flashlight's disabled because it's overheating. But it looks like you can now. But it looks like now you can. Oh, they definitely smoothed out the lock screen. I've noticed more bugs on the lock screen right now. Yeah, I noticed some bugs on the lock screen already, especially the astronomy one. Let me switch to astronomy. The astronomy one now has a green dot where you're located, so that's cool. Yeah, you can now back up over LTE or 5G. And if you're on a dual SIM device, you can filter messages based on your SIMs. But I only have one SIM, so that will not work for me. That will not work for me, but there you go. Yeah, so Mark Gurman said, week of July 11th. He says, I guess that beta 2 is next week. Sorry, Mark, you're wrong. I'm kidding, but yeah. Let me just update now to Ventura beta 2. Why not? Hopefully it doesn't update while the stream is happening. There you go. But yeah, so far not a lot's changed. That's yeah, all that's really changed is adding support for backing up over LTE and 5G, but yeah. So I guess that's really it. I don't want to end the stream yet because I still want to find some more new changes, but so far, yeah, recent comments, Mac Rumors articles, iOS 15, what about iOS 16? iOS 16, is there like the discussion, the Mac Rumors discussion? But yeah, so it looks like not a lot changed so far in beta 2, but but we'll have to see. They just published this article. Dude, we're looking through beta 2 changes. We don't want to know about the dual USB-C 35-watt compact power adapter. Check Reddit. Reddit, I used to have a Reddit account, but I deleted it, so there you go. But Reddit, I assume iOS beta, yeah. Developer beta 2, so that's the beta 1 thread. Beta 2, let me find, yeah, iOS 16 DB2, developer beta 2 out. Alright, anything new here? Looks like Safari seems snappier. Let me try that out. Safari seems snappier. Oh, whoa. Okay, that's new. That's new. Start page is in a bold text. Wow. Start page is in a bold text now. Yeah, so it just like pops up saying start page. Yeah. But apparently Safari seems snappier. I mean, that's fine. Oh, Fitness Plus thing, whatever. Yeah. But yeah, I don't think there's a lot of changes to Safari. Install iPadOS 16 after the application out. Yeah, I have not installed iPadOS 16 yet because Luke Miani said that his iPad Pro got bricked after the update, and not even DFU mode could fix it, so he had to take it to an Apple store. And I don't even know if he fixed it yet. So, yeah, I'm not trusting iPadOS 16 yet. I might install it with the public beta, but I have the A10 iPad 6th gen, and the A10 is not even supported with iOS 16. So I have very little trust with it with iPadOS. New Wallpaper Uin Settings. Let's see. Oh yeah, there is a new Wallpaper Uin Settings. You can now customize current wallpaper, add new wallpaper. Oh, you can add a new wallpaper to your home screen now. Hold up. Hold up, I forgot it was not showing it. So you can now, there's a new wallpaper UI. You can now add a new wallpaper to your home screen. Add new wallpaper. You can add new wallpaper specifically to your home screen. So the same like wallpaper UI is now on the home screen. And that's pretty cool. So that clears up some confusion for people who can change the home screen wallpaper. And lock screen, customize current wallpaper even. Yeah. And customize current wallpaper on home screen. Yeah. So just the astronomy one. The astronomy one's cool. And you can add a new wallpaper there. So that's new wallpaper UI. There. Is there anything new with the haptic feedback and the sounds? Nah, I don't think so. Anyway, is there anything else new? Home screen. Yeah, the search thing doesn't show up for me on the home screen. Don't know why. Yeah. Yeah. I don't have the search thing on the home screen. Yeah. It's very glitchy. It's very glitchy. Oh my god, you see that? It like flashes. Hang on. Yeah, you see that? That's so weird. See that again? That's so weird. I don't know why that happens. Anyway, so let me check the developer site again. Let's see. 9 to 5 Mac posted another article. SMS filtering. We already knew that. What about here? Appears you now dismissed the now playing widget on the lock screen. Now I can't get it back. Okay. Let's try that. Podcast. WWDC, why not? Hopefully don't. Oh shoot, it's playing there. But now playing widget, you can now dismiss it. Hang on, let me try that again. It's so weird. And no, I don't think you can dismiss it. Don't think you can dismiss it. Also, you can customize your lock. Obviously. Obviously you can. Apple 16. I've never seen anyone pronounce it or say it like that. We're trying to look for new things in beta 2, not beta 1. So, yeah. Let me turn off the personal. Yeah, so it's weird. This is pretty weird. Oh my god. Keeps on bugging out. So weird. Anyway, but look, it looks like, oh my, see that? See that? Quality. Very much quality. It's a first beta, or it's a second beta, but yeah, it's a beta, so there you go. But I hope this gets ironed out by final release. Beta, the iOS 16 beta, I've not noticed any bugs until today. So yeah, Parker over here from Verge has a stage manager feels a hell of a lot smoother on iPadOS. But that's it. Okay then. Flush DNS cache, Randisk permissions, and some things. Okay. Can't get that to show up, but he couldn't get that to show up, but I got it to show up. Oh well. It crashed. It crashed. Shoot. It crashed. Let me try it again. There it is. There it is. There it is. Showing up again. Alright, yeah, it crashed for a second, but there you go. Let me see. Anything new in app library? No. Nothing new in app library. What about anything else new? Come on, let's see. Communities. There's a green dot showing your location if you enabled world lock screen. Yep. Beta profiles. Banking apps working beta 2. Yeah, I don't know. CarPlay, Apple Music, Apple software. Yeah, that one's kind of outdated. Beta profiles. Here we go. Green dot showing your location. Yep. But yeah, I don't think there's a lot else new with this. Yeah. Check Reddit. What is an ad from Apple? Yeah, lock screen settings, redesign. Oh, you can now delete lock screens. Hang on, let's see. Cancel. So you can now, that's new. You can now swipe up and delete lock screens. Before, I think you had to like do something else. Now you can just swipe up, delete. That's cool. So yeah, swipe up, delete. Yeah. Okay, cool. You can now delete lock screens by just swiping up and tapping delete. So there you go. That's cool. That's a cool feature. Again, very glitchy. Don't know what that's about. It's kind of weird. Shortcuts. I've experienced a lot of issues on shortcuts, so hopefully they fix them. Let's see. So I had an issue where if I copy a shortcut and I paste it, now it doesn't even copy. Nice. It doesn't even copy. It doesn't even copy. That is... Oh, there we go. Now it copies. Paste below didn't work. And it still doesn't work. So beta 2... I don't think beta 2 updates really fix, or like they don't really like focus on, or they don't have developer feedback is what I'm trying to say. They don't have developer feedback. beta 2s don't have developer feedback. But, yeah. And so beta 3 will have a lot more developer feedback, so yeah, I don't think, yeah, beta 2 is out. Here we go. Yeah, beta 2. So, yeah, there's not a lot. Yeah, it's still beta. It's still beta, yeah. Yeah, there's not a lot of changes in iOS 16 beta 2. This might be the most underwhelming beta 2 ever. But, yeah, did they fix heating issues? Because causing a lot of people to have their phones out. Well, my iPhone SE2 is still getting hot. It's still getting hot, and so, yeah, it's still getting kind of hot, so, yeah, and when it was updating, it was getting really hot, so they definitely didn't fix heating issues. macOS Ventura, 4 minutes remaining. Hopefully they fix some of the complaints about the system settings in Ventura. Beta 2. Just slammed the finger. Yeah, I don't think this might be the most underwhelming beta 2 ever. Even more underwhelming than beta 2 from last year. Beta 2 from last year sucked. So, yeah. Take it, sweet time. They really need to fix that before I consider downloading. Yeah, it's still pretty hot. Now it's getting cooler, but yeah. Yeah. Stage Manager is apparently a bit better. It doesn't support older devices. But yeah. Again, there's not a lot of... Oh, I should have done Geekbench Scores. Dang it. Should have done Geekbench Scores. Let me do that. Oh, Geekbench offloaded itself. Okay, then. Yeah, we're doing Geekbench Scores. I didn't do Geekbench for beta 1. Probably should have. But, yeah. Going to Target. What did I miss? Literally nothing. All they've really updated was the wallpaper UI. So wallpaper UI can now, it's a bit less confusing. And they've also updated, that's kind of it. They've also, I guess, updated the start page bold text, and that's it. Oh yeah, I was covering it up. Yeah, wallpaper UI and start page, and you can now back up using 5G or LTE. But that's about it. That's about it. So yeah, it's pretty. This might be the most underwhelming beta 2 ever. Hopefully beta 3 is going to be a whole lot better, but yeah, I'm really pretty underwhelmed. Is there any new actions in shortcuts? I was having a lot of issues in shortcuts today, and they still have not fixed that, so yeah, and that's a bit of an issue. And it's now a green dot indicating your location on the astronomy wallpaper, but the astronomy wallpaper is very buggy, as you can tell right there. But yeah. See, look at that. There we go. Yeah, is the IPSW for beta 2 out yet? I think I might look through the IPSW, and when they release beta 3, they better say fixing heating issues and downloading used iPad, or yeah, so they better fix heating issues, because I'm still feeling warmth. Well, now it's a bit better, but I was feeling warmth. Let me look at IPS or IPSW. Not me, dev. IPSW.dev. Is the IPSW out yet? I want to see. I want to look through the IPSW. Oh yeah, screen just got dimmer. Yeah. Oh, IPSW is out, but this is probably limited to... Oh, no, it is out. Okay. I'll look through that IPSW later, but yeah, might find some unreleased devices anymore. Yeah, might find some unreleased stuff, some sneaky stuff. But yeah, there is. This might be the most underwhelming beta 2 yet. Anything new here? Shift Command R. Beta profiles. Yeah. Yeah, there's not a lot of changes in this beta 2. So, yeah, I think I'll end the stream. macOS Ventura beta 2 installing right now. About 30 minutes remaining. Oh my god. What about my storage? How's my storage doing? Okay, storage is doing good. Okay. I ran into some issues downloading 12.4, macOS 12.4, and yeah, I'm in Target. You're in Target. Heating issues a big must. It must be fixed rather than anything else. Yeah, I've noticed a lot of heating issues today with iOS 16. Sorry, someone's taking a shower next door. But yeah, I've noticed a lot of heating issues with beta 1, and looks like they're not fixed in beta 2. So beta 2s normally don't have developer feedback. I almost installed beta 2 at Best Buy, but it did not work because there was a Best Buy worker walking next to me. Did you install on an iPhone in Best Buy? Are you kidding me? Did you actually try to install it in Best Buy? Mad lad. Mad lad. But yeah, beta 2s normally don't have a lot of developer feedback, and so beta 2s don't have a lot of developer feedback, and so there's not anything that you report in the developer or the feedback app. Yeah, it's probably not going to be fixed in beta 2, but beta 3s normally have developer feedback, and not only does beta 2 not have developer feedback, they barely fixed anything. So beta 2 is a pretty terrible beta. On their iPhone. You actually tried to install it on iPhone at Best Buy? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. But yeah, see, look at this. See, look at that. It's even more buggier than beta 1. I saw all iPhone is on 15.5. Yeah, because obviously that's the latest public release. But yeah, see, look at that. It's very buggy still. It is, this might be the worst beta 2 yet. The email counter bounces when you... The email app counter when you bounces when you move your screen. Yeah, because that's, well... Oh, I see what you mean. That's only appearing in QuickTime. That's not appearing in... That's another bug. Oh my god. Yeah. You can tell that this is beta, but this is even worse than beta 1. So, yeah. This may be the worst beta 2 yet. Kind of depressing. Yeah. Apparently there's some changes to the timer UI on the lock screen. Oh shoot, that was loud. And it just froze again. Wow, it just froze again. Okay then. Let me close it. Launch it back up. There it is. Yeah. I didn't want to get kicked out. Yeah. I went to Safari to look up the website, but a Best Buy worker walked next to me, so it didn't type in the website. So it's laggy. AF. Yeah, it's still is even worse than beta 1. Like, look at this. Look at this. This is on A13, by the way. So this is supposed to be a pretty fast chip still. Like, it's A13 is not the latest, but it's still pretty fast. Yeah, it's really buggy. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. I'm streaming. But yeah, beta 2 is still beta 2 is like really bad. It's really bad. And I mean, like, not a lot of changes, and it's just yeah, probably the worst beta 2 that we've had in a while. The worst beta 2 that we've had in a while. It is. Yeah, I am pretty underwhelmed. Yeah, good then. I'll wait for the public one. Yeah, maybe skip beta 2. I mean, like, I wouldn't really recommend skipping a beta because betas normally fix bugs. They don't add bugs. But this adds bugs. This makes things worse. This makes things worse. So I well not yeah. I am pretty underwhelmed. This is probably the worst beta 2 that we've had in a while. So yeah, there you go. That I'm gonna end the stream because it looks like there's barely any changes, and yeah, 95 Mac. When they look back up, is there like an article? Yeah, just you can. There's some updates to SIM filtering, or SMS filtering. iCloud backup now works over LTE and 5G. And that's it. That's it. And there's some updates to the astronomy face. There's some updates to the wallpaper UI. Current. What is the current? This beta adds bugs. Yeah, this beta adds bugs. So I wouldn't really recommend skipping a beta because normally betas add bugs, or it fixes bugs. But this beta adds bugs instead. So yeah. I don't know about this one. Chief. Hopefully beta 3 fixes it, because beta 3 is going to be the public beta. Beta 3 is going to be public beta. And so, yeah, see what Mark Gurman means by how iOS 16 was really buggy internally. This is why. This feels like an alpha rather than a beta. So, there we go. That's iOS 16. Oh, wow. Just bare thing. iOS 16 beta 2. Pretty terrible release. macOS 13, macOS Ventura, beta 2, installing about 20 minutes remaining. I'll probably do a separate thing for macOS Ventura beta 2, I don't know, but yeah, that's iOS 16 beta 2. Pretty terrible release. Anyway, that's it. See you guys later, and bye. Hopefully beta 3 is better. Yeah. Anyway, bye.